What you want to do? You want to shoot? What you want to do? Damn. Hold on. What it do, YouTube? Oh, what it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? Nah, listen. But you know, today is the 4th. You know, shit. You know, finna get a little vlog, man. Little July 4th vlog. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind my cut, cause I ain't got one that look bad. Look bad. My waves look trash. They look trash, but you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we got a little 4th of July vlog here. So I'm finna go with the fam. Right now I'm finna go with the fam. Like on my dad's side, I'm finna go chill with them for a little minute. But after that, I'm finna go to the hood. We got a block party in the hood. Yeah, man. Down in that water. Shit, I'm gonna fuck with the hood and shit later on. And shit, after that, shit, I don't know what it's gonna be. I just need some food, you hear me? I need some barbecue, you hear me? Some barbecue. So, back to what I was saying, like before my music had interrupted me and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna slide through the hood later on today. But that bitch clean, hold on. Yeah, let's skate. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna slide through the hood later on today here for the block boy there. Right now, shit, we on there, we in the road, we on the car out, you know what I'm saying? Fucking my dad and them shit. Maybe with y'all shit, we leak up with the guys and shit, go to the block boy and shit. What you mean by record and drive, boy? Said I'm a certified YouTuber, boy. Certified dick rider. Ugly ass nigga. Oh man, stop riding that bike. Stop riding that dick, nigga. Stop riding that dick. Stop riding that dick. Get that dick up out that ass, man. Nah, no. Real shit though, shit. We finna slide to the churches. Yeah. Slide the motherfucker to the block party and shit. You see me? Stop, cause I ain't got no oil. Yeah. I trained it with me. That nigga ain't got no oil. I trained it with me. Ooh, that bitch say slow down. I got you. I'm going 75. Yeah, we finna slide to the trenches and shit. You know what I'm saying? The block boys, everybody already know. You know what I'm saying?
A few moments later.
Yeah, we trying to get in the block party. They trying to let me through that bitch. Yeah, man. They trolling, boy. You not here from around here, boy. Move around, boy. Let me do that bit. Hold on. Oh yeah, here we got Big Cal say. Hey, Hey, white boy.
I say top shot though. They got trainers.
Where the fuck y'all live?
We far right now.
On the street?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That boy like a goonie. Oh, we posted. We wide open in that water. Shit, open that bitch up.
Nigga might hoop today.
Nigga might do something today.
Nigga might shoot a couple basketball.
Bag this bitch up. Oh damn, I ain't got my window up. I'm so excited! I'm so excited. Somebody on the DJ in this bitch? You ugly. That boy got a slip and slide. They ain't trying to fuck enough for real.
I'll be on your team today.
Trying to fuck enough for real.
Biggest fire.
It tight shit.
Biggest fire. Feeling one ain't fucking with, ain't fucking with, they gonna fuck with.
And that's on God. What the fuck you talking about?
They say done by the top shot, a bitch on the field. How you feel? We playing 3 or 4? What team is? They play 5, fucking 4 court, nigga. What up? 4 who?
Ho. Fuck all that!
It's too high to take 4 court. I thought that was Jeffrey saw ran down here. Jeffrey? I know son saw ran down here. No! Yeah, no! Hell no! Who? Barbie? Vlogging. What you say we vlogging and shit? Life of White back with another video. We got Big Wednesday, so motherfucking big Mr. Drop 200. Hold on. Come on. Hang on. We ready? Mount for the who all the team? Mount for the bait they ass. Who all team? Who on that radio? Who on that radio? I thought oh, come on, that's a film. After a long day of basketball, suck ass niggas fouling me and shit. Suck ass niggas. Hey, did you win that though? I'm just asking. I had 10 by myself. I won as a player. I won as a player. Yeah, you did that. You MVP, how about that? But, you know, red card, that's it.
I should have had that sour ass nigga guard me. I ain't gonna fake. I should have had you guard me. I need to put that bit on .5.
Niggas trolling. Yeah. And I'ma form that bitch.
Yeah.
And I hit her with that dick, I'ma make that bitch. You still play song?
Who? They'll laugh. They better be lying.
I never thought I would make it this far. Roll gas in a cigar. Or push a nigga down, but they straight these beats in hard. I never been to live on the rock and roll like a guitar. If music gotta speak, don't need to tell you if you hit, boy. You flexing out of time.
You hear me? You hear that bitch? You hear me? This Dudley, but this L block. I don't know shit about no D block. This L block. You hear me? Shit about no D block. This is L block. Long live my son.
You jamming that shit? Jam that shit then, nigga. Just passing on the man, yeah.
Think I'm so sweet for the J. Last nigga try to run up on me, guess he ain't making bag.
Damn. Big ass stole me out of rag. I ain't gonna fake. What'd he say? I'm taking bag. Yes, I like to step in all black.
Man, I ain't gonna fake, I'm hot as fuck. I just drive up. I'm still sweating.
You bad as fuck, ugly ass, glad face. Yeah, them babies, got them babies.
You got it.
Hey, boy, get my fucking keys. Man, let my key go, man. Dang. Man, you were about to go ride. Get to the badass.
He ran dick. Dick rider. Hey, just check me out. Throw that in there. Dick rider. Dick rider.
Dick Rider!
Hey, look at him. He rapping that shit hard. Hey, look. Bro, I know it still works, but that thing. Son key.
Yeah.
Crack then, nigga. niggas get on camera and get shot. Yo, turn that bitch up then. Say something. Talk your shit then.
Ugly ass nigga.
Oh, that boy dancer. Ooh, that dancer there. Wow. Wait. Smoke. What you wanna do? Let me get your ooh, that bitch. I can feel that bitch kicking in. I don't know about all this. Y'all ain't fuck with that shit? Y'all some hoes. You finna start twerking. You finna start throwing ass, throwing bundo. That ball, damn, bitch. Move on. I ain't gonna face a lot of good dancing ass niggas.
I caught your ass, nigga. 4K1,000, 8K1,000. You caught, my dog. You was caught red-handed.
Hey, boy. Stop trying to fuck my cousin. You trying to fuck my cousin. Hey, boy, gay. Hey, that boy say he want 2 hoes. He want a fat bitch, and he want a skinny bitch. Big bitch at the bottom, skinny bitch at the top. When I'm done with the other, and it's his birthday. It's his birthday. He trying to get freaky. Oh, see them boy rap. Wow. That boy dancer. Yeah. Damn, bitch. Yeah. Talk your shit. You don't do that. Damn, what you do, twin? What you do, twin?
Man, that crackhead a liar.
Man, fuck that driving, nigga. Nigga, we dancing, nigga. Nigga, we dancing, nigga. Right. Hey, I gave somebody. I ain't get nobody my key, huh? Oh, never mind. I see him. I'm busy as fuck out here. Your pocket key. Yeah, I'm fit too. Lord, boy. We need to do costumes and shit. But them, if you wanna go, baby. I'm a side bitch. Leaking. Nah, nieces. Oh. That mean you don't even be. That mean your ass be filing. Yeah. But I give you the ball, but you still ain't take. Cause you gonna fire me again. How much stuff you gonna keep filing me? I might well hit the ball to somebody else. You a damn liar. In the small business. He ain't trying to fuck with nothing for real. He ain't trying to fuck with nothing for real. He ain't trying to go to the slab. He ain't trying to go to the slab. He ain't trying to go to the slab. Well, boss his ass up. He don't want to go to the slab. Damn. You ain't trying to go to the slab, man. What you want to do? What you want to do? You want to shoot? What you want to do? He ain't trying to shoot everybody. When the nigga put that dice on the floor, niggas get dizzy. Every time niggas dice on the floor, niggas get dizzy. Everybody want to play confused when that money on the floor. God damn, he done broke my toe. Trying to run from that bitch. Niggas the ones grab
dice, boy.
Man, he ain't trying to fuck with them for real, man. He gonna make me get on the float, huh? Who? Oh, that's what type of badass get. Now, yeah, exactly what you get. Say it don't hurt.
Nigga, really doing video a backflip on your vlog.
You can't do that shit for real.
They going on YouTube.
Hell nah. You pretty good, but you
Like I
soft.
can't go. Hold on, watch this.
Show me something. I ain't trying to fuck that bitch for real. Yeah. I was shining like a light way before I got a check. Shining like a motherfucker, nigga. Give me my respect. Tommy Lee. That boy look like this, bro. Hell no. Boy, fuck no. Hey, I got the camera out. I survived 5.0 and shit. Yeah, nigga. Tommy Lee. Hey, what do y'all go? Hey, them boys look just like all the three of them. Nigga ain't fucking with that dice, man. Nigga shouldn't know these niggas. Bitch, tell me I ain't straight.
I say what the bitch say. Me and my niggas, we go.
Ball, ball. Dot, dot.
What it is?
What it do? You like them. You really ain't trying to fuck with that bitch.
I really will do
Fuck with that bitch then, Train.
Come on.
Show me something. I'm gonna take a step into your office.
Hey, we got sticker bugs in the ground.
Probably.
Kick it off. Kick it off.
Man, wait. Oh, shit. Hold on, I got you.
Let me kick it off.
Man, show me something. Man, show me something. Damn. Hold on. Damn. I'm finna learn that shit. Hey, teach me that shit. Hey, teach me that shit. Hey. Man, nigga gonna tell me I put that polo boy on. That bitch hurt. Ain't I know that bitch hurt? Nah, though. Hey, don't gonna put that shit on, though. Kira, you. Damn, I down there cracked on that ass.
A lot of money until I bought an iPhone.
Type. Cut little juicy tit ass. You said who? Let me get in that bitch. Hey, look. Play that one drop. Him up in pain. All in his face. Gon' bang on him. Bitch, I'm full of pills. I'ma leave him outside parking lot. We get drunk. This the juicy pussy niggas that miss them. Got that chopper in the trunk. Whip. I'll bust. When that chopper boy bust. Look, them boys turned up off that shit. What's the word, cuz? Nigga, what you got? In the blood of that motherfucking crib gang. I'm gon' bang. Represent the side. Nigga, hit him up. I'm gon' bang. Nigga, throw it up. Represent the side. Nigga, hit him up. Woods up. Whole lot of water, boy. Shit.
Bitch, you really wasn't. You was recording your chin.
For real?
It's all. Gotta zoom out on that bitch.
Nah, man, I'm zoomed out.
No, you not. You wasn't zoomed out. You gotta do. You gotta
Go to 5.
They do go to 5. You gotta.
I'm a bottom boy. Yeah, I'm a topper boy. Yeah. All right, with that chopper boy. I need that drink. I know what's gonna get me right.
I got some steak rolls.
I don't want that drink.
Oh, you want some orange?
If you sold your chopper, you a fool. You should have killed it. I ain't gonna think I'm hot as fuck. Ooh, Taylor.
Let's go. Yeah.
That boy blind as fuck, bad ass eye. That boy got a bad ass eye. Type shit. So this nigga said that the bottom shit don't stop. Hey, go. Think you better than you. I think she used to hoop. What? What that? Oh, that big gun? Oh, hell no. Damn, you snatched it. Man, get on my camera, boy. Damn, what happened to your shirt, man? Fuck it, nigga. Let's get active, nigga. Damn. Nigga, fuck you up. How my shit look? Man, your shit look droopy. Boy, your shit look droopy like Drewski. Yeah, we ain't gonna shit. I ain't gonna fake. Who? Ryan Connor? Them boy with the door shit. Hey, what the? Man, that bitch big, folks. Nah, they really just fucking my shit up. Look at my shit. That bitch big, folks. They bitch not big, son. I see it, but I'm saying like they stretch that bitch down. Yeah, they stretch my shit. Damn, little daddy. That shit was so good. Damn, little daddy, that was trolling. How my shit look on the camera? Man, that shit look like that. Ooh, shit, look at that boy feet. Damn, that boy got good feet. Hey, get your bitch ass on, boy. I told that boy how to play. That's why he's so cold. That nigga sad. How who's so cold? Man, you crazy. I need a yard stone on this nigga. Niggas trolling. Nigga, I been busting shit up. I'm just getting content. I just like being outside. You wanna be on my shit? What you got to say?
Cut your flash on.
I ain't got one. They can see you though. You in 4K. You black, but you in 4K. You can't see it now because I turned away.
I hit the boys. They gonna get it on camera.
What?
Hit them boys. 150 on the dice today. You heard me?
Damn, that's a come up.
$50.
That's a come up.
150. You heard me?
That's a whole $100. That's a whole blue Benji.
I did that today. You heard me? Dice game starter. Tell them stop playing.
150. I'm finna see what they got going. We got some badass youngins on the phone. Everybody ready. Man, what the fuck? Hey, boy. Oh, shit. Damn. Hey, them niggas ruthless as fuck. Hey. Hey, them little boy bad as fuck. I'm finna pat one of their ass. That nigga shot me with a firework. On some real shit. Damn. What the bitch? Where is the nigga? How they shit? What? Oh shit. Hey, God. That nigga bad as fuck, man. Hey, cuz. What game them in? They been wanting to follow, I'ma pack the fuck out there. I'm not playing. You got duck the bitch. I'm finna pet one there. They ain't fucking with y'all, huh? Man, I grab his ass, I'ma whoop his ass. I already know who doing it. I'ma whoop his ass. Huh?
I can't cut up on our street,
For
son.
real? Why y'all ain't say nothing?
I'm finna come to my car. Oh, yeah, that.
Yeah, type shit. On that light skin shit. You gotta watch. Hey, you gotta watch niggas, man. Hey, he ain't even toe up, cuz. Come on, man. Damn, man. I ain't on fire, he was on fire. That boy, look, I ain't got no fire, man. They want to shoot fire. I'm finna go get that iron. Hey, that shit hurt. Man, that big deal hit me right on my fucking leg. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Oh, five. You can drive that bitch. You wanna drive that bitch? What you wanna do? Man, just keep calm and carry on. Please don't. I'm gonna cry. What if I run through this? With no phone. Man, my fucking leg on fire. That nigga hit me dead. That big clear both of them bitches.
Hey, today I'm going to show you how to search anyone with just their phone number.
That's cool though. 100. 100. I respect it. I'm off the mall. I'm off the mall. Yeah. I ain't worried about you. I know you ain't got no time. That boy lit up. He got white and red lights. That bitch cherry. We gonna call that little bitch cherry. Damn, you wasn't fool.
Call me daddy.
Call you teeth.
Man, you just drove
My
that
bad,
bitch
son.
on big
My
head
bad.
ass. Little monkey looking at.
Now I'm a monkey with big teeth. He acting like a hoe, man. He finna make me spin my shit. What white is? Oh, he going to my grandma's house. Damn.
Down the whole street.
Man, them little niggas bad as fuck. Why the fuck they start shooting us with that bitch?
Boy, when you in that job, boy, go through that.
Hell nah, I'm steady. I heard them burning rubber. I'm steady trying to get to that bitch. They instantly lit them bitches up and start banging them bitches. Ah, damn. Can't get them little niggas no glizzes. He go right on and say he ain't cutting up. He gonna go cut up. That boy a hoe. That boy lit up for real. God damn. You can see that bitch. Man, what is 5.0 is, man?
That 50 been right now.
That be around the corner? That real. Your ass be MIA, man. We be trying to get you active, man. You don't even want to come fuck with us.
Get
For
back
real,
on
man.
that, bro. We'll get back on
Man,
that.
you fake it, man. We be outside every day. You heard me? Members be outside every day. Niggas be trolling. Damn. Who it?
I'm just finna get somebody.
What?
I'm finna get my shit.
Last shade, last booty. Hey, boy. Please don't hit that bitch, man.
That's money right there, boy. You talking that money right there.
So little. I'm on nigga ass with that bitch too.
We're gonna have to work till they can afford it.
I'ma sue the fuck out that work insurance. In my old school. Damn.
But take your shit back.
Damn, what? That shit was out here? Where that shit was at?
Right there at your house? I know, ain't nobody here but down here. Right here.
Where the fuck TJ went?
That boy went around there.
Man, TJ ass trolling.
He just said what the business is.
Anyway,